Welcome back. It's now time for the Midday Sports Roundup.
The Trelawney and St. Thomas Football Associations have had their membership privileges suspended by the Jamaica Football Federation for breach of the federation's constitution. According to a press release from the JFF on Thursday, both parish associations failed to comply with a directive of the Congress on June 1, 2024 for all parish elections to have taken place by August 31, 2024. The suspension will remain in effect until the association's election is held. However, if the elections are not held before the next meeting of the JFF board, further actions could be taken. The release also noted that the Trelawney FA has since set their election for October 12. Head coach of Arnett Gardens, Xavier Gilbert, says on another day Wednesday night's result against Real Hope could have gone their way. This after the many-time Jamaica Premier League champions were knocked out of contention for the next round of the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup. Arnett Gardens remain at the foot of Group A with just a point after their game against the Haitian team at the National Stadium on Wednesday ended in a 0-0 draw.
To be honest, I think we have to give the guys credit. I think they gave it their all. We weren't composed enough in front of goal, and I think that's why we didn't come away with 3 points tonight. So, but I can't fault them for the energy and the effort that they put out there. But we just have to make better decisions in the final third. And I think we were unlucky tonight, to be honest.
Arnett's final game in the group will be against the leaders Cavalier on October 10, where a point for the reigning JPL champions could see them progressing to the semi-final stage. Meanwhile, Mount Pleasant FC could jump into the top two in Group A as they take on Police FC of Trinidad and Tobago in their CONCACAF Caribbean Cup matchup this afternoon at the Hazley Crawford Stadium at 5 Jamaica time. Mount Pleasant are currently fourth in the group on 3 points, following a defeat to Cavalier and a win over Arnett Gardens. According to head coach Theodore Whitmore, the team has prepared well ahead of the game.
Well, again, as in previous interview I've said, we know the task at hand and we're looking forward to a battle. The guys are prepared, but once we can go out there tomorrow and execute, I think we get the job done.
A win for Mount Pleasant tonight would eliminate Police FC from contention to advance from the group and would mean the 2023 Jamaica Premier League champions would only need to avoid defeat to Real Hope in their final group game to advance. And finally, St. Catherine High were the biggest winners in the Issa Urban Era Under-19 netball competition on Wednesday. The school from St. John's Road in Spanish Town hammered Holy Trinity 83-0. In the other Under-19 contest, St. Hugh's were 27-8 winners over Ardennes. And St. Hugh's completed the double over Ardennes on the day as their Under-16 team prevailed at 39-4 in that game. Also in the Under-16 competition, Norman Manley High defeated Tarrant 38-6, while Immaculate were 21-13 winners against Excelsior. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renardo Brown.
Thank you, Renardo. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.